Our recipe starts with some super fresh eggs. Separate the yolks from the whites. I will set aside the egg whites and start whipping the yolks with sugar. If you prefer, you can make tiramisu with pasteurized eggs by whipping the yolks with a sugar syrup heated to 121 degrees Celsius. Start the beaters and let it whip up until you have a wonderfully light and frothy mixture. That's enough. Slow down the beaters and then mix in the mascarpone cheese just 1 spoonful at a time. That's perfect. Our mascarpone cream is ready in order to whip the egg whites into stiff peaks. The beaters have to be absolutely perfectly clean, and there absolutely cannot be even a single little trace of egg yolk inside the bowl with the egg whites. Let's start whipping. I'm adding in the sugar, just a little at a time. Egg whites whipped into stiff peaks. How can you tell if the egg whites have been properly whipped into stiff peaks? Simply do the bowl test by tilting it upside down. Perfect, it's not falling. Now it's time to mix the whipped egg whites into the mascarpone cream. The first stir should be nice and energetic, just to soften the dough. The next stirs should be very delicate, softly moving the spoon from the bottom of the mixture towards the top. Cream's ready, so we can assemble our tiramisu. Pour mocha pot coffee into a bowl and add sugar to taste. I like to add a teaspoon. Start with a generous heap of cream on the bottom of the dish, and then make sure to spread it out well to cover the bottom. Dunk your ladyfinger cookies and create the first layer. Continue like this, alternating layers of cream and ladyfingers. I put the remaining cream into a piping bag. Now we can decorate our tiramisu with some piping. Finally, a sprinkle of cocoa powder over top. The tiramisu is ready to move into the fridge where it will stay to firm up for at least 2 hours. Now let's taste it. Guys, it is so good.